The Bell AH-1Z Viper is one of the most advanced and battle-proven attack helicopters in modern military aviation. Designed and manufactured by Bell Helicopter for the United States Marine Corps. Built as part of the H-1 upgrade program, a major evolution of the original Cobra platform, combining cutting-edge avionics, improved survivability, and superior firepower. A highly agile and lethal combat system engineered for precision attack missions, close air support, armed reconnaissance, and escort duties in various warfare environments. Its sleek, narrow fuselage and tandem cockpit design are defining features. The four-blade composite rotor system enhances lift, reduces vibration, and improves flight performance, achieving a top speed of around 411 km/h while maintaining exceptional maneuverability. Even in harsh combat conditions, the Viper performs reliably, powered by twin turboshaft engines delivering approximately 1,300 kW of power, ensuring reliability, redundancy, and strong performance in high temperature and high altitude environments. Maximum takeoff weight of about 8,391 kg, carrying a wide array of weapons. Without compromising agility, it conducts extended missions. Operational range of roughly 690 kilometers, highly effective for expeditionary operations. Climbing at 2,790 feet per minute, operating at service ceilings up to 20,000 feet, giving it a strong vertical advantage during combat engagements. When it comes to firepower, the AH-1Z Viper is built to dominate the battlefield. Equipped with a nose-mounted 20mm M197 three-barrel rotary cannon, capable of firing up to 750 rounds, providing rapid and precise targeting against both ground and aerial threats. Beyond its internal gun, it carries diverse external weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles for anti-armor operations, Hydra 70 rocket pods for area suppression, and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for air-to-air combat. This versatility allows the Viper to adapt to multiple mission profiles, making it a true multi-role attack platform. Its advanced Target Sight System, TSF, and integrated avionics suite provide high-resolution imaging and laser targeting, and night vision capabilities, enabling pilots to engage targets accurately in all weather conditions, day or night. Survivability is another critical strength of the AH-1Z. The helicopter features armored crew protection, crash-worthy landing gear, and a reduced radar and infrared signature to minimize detection by enemy forces. Equipped with advanced countermeasure systems, including radar warning receivers, missile warning systems, and chaff and flare dispensers, which help protect it against incoming threats such as surface-to-air missiles. The tandem cockpit is designed with state-of-the-art digital displays and helmet-mounted sight systems, allowing both pilot and gunner to maintain full situational awareness and quickly respond to changing battlefield conditions. From a strategic perspective, the AH-1Z Viper plays a vital role in supporting U.S. military operations worldwide. Specifically tailored for Marine Corps expeditionary warfare, meaning it can operate from amphibious assault ships, forward bases, and remote locations with minimal logistical support. Its compatibility with the UH-1Y Venom utility helicopter, sharing many common components, also reduces maintenance complexity and operational costs. With a unit cost of approximately $31 million, the Viper represents a balance between high-end capability and cost efficiency, delivering exceptional value as a frontline attack helicopter. In modern warfare, where speed, precision, and adaptability are essential, the Bell AH-1Z Viper stands out as a symbol of advanced American military engineering. It combines decades of combat experience with next-generation technology, ensuring that it remains a dominant force in aerial combat for years to come. Whether providing close air support to ground troops, neutralizing armored threats, or securing air superiority in contested environments, the Viper continues to prove itself. As a powerful and reliable guardian of the skies,